Jeremy Thompson, and he came out of the town where my home mountain, Hunter Mountain, came from. So did you ride at Hunter a lot?
Yeah, I used to. I grew up there riding. I rode there every day after school.
Were you in on the team, the Hunter team, or?
Nope, just cruised with my friends. It was pretty fun back then.
Cool, and you rode USASA there for a few years?
I did.
And who did you compete with there?
Tim Humphreys.
That's you. All right, Jeremy, thank you. We'll be back to you.
Yep.
Tim, and you're from New Jersey, but how come you were riding in the Catskill Mountain Series?
I don't know. Just we'd always go up to Windham Mountain and Hunter Mountain every weekend. Just like my family would go up there because the snow is a little bit better than in New Jersey. And I don't know, I just always rode around there, and since we're there every weekend, I just started doing contests.
Cool, and what events did you ride with USASA?
Did slopestyle and half pipes, and then every once in a while when I felt like having fun, I'd do like a border cross or a slalom just to mess around.
Cool, border cross is fun. I've been riding it this season. I'm hurt.
It's scary though. It's dangerous. I don't trust other people.
Really, I stay away from the other people.
Yeah.
Did you go to nationals?
Yeah, went to a couple of them.
Cool. What do you have to say about that?
I don't know. They're pretty fun. I mean, it's so hard because there's so many kids there. It's like it's impossible to judge 1,000 kids every other hour. So it's like, you know, a lot of people end up kind of getting screwed over and stuff. But it's definitely like one of the first stepping stones to go on. And then
cool.
You know, then you kind of move up to the Rev Tours and then up to the Grand Prix and then the bigger contests. So it's like that first stepping stone that you got to do, and I think everyone kind of came up through USASA.
It's true. So. It's true. All right, we'll be back to you on that. Cade Madsen.
Hello.
Madsen, is that right?
Correct.
Okay, and how old are you these days?
22.
Okay, good. And could I see that bracelet you're wearing? We don't like to concentrate on the bad stuff, but you are wearing a hospital bracelet. So anyway, we hope you'll be very careful. You're riding in slopestyle tomorrow?
Nope.
What are you doing?
Rail Jam tomorrow night.
Oh, okay. We're so glad to see the Rail Jam is back, aren't we?
Pretty excited.
How did you get into the Rail Jam?
I've just done well in other Rail Jams.
Which ones? There haven't been that many, have there?
No. Advanced Cup 2 years ago now, I got 3rd place in, and then all the other ones before that always.
Where were you riding this season, and what Rail Jams?
There haven't been any really this year. I was hurt early season when there was a couple, so I just started riding again, and we'll see what happens.
Okay, good. Good luck. What tricks are you going to do?
A lot of 180s and 270s, and I don't know, just have fun and see what happens. It's a different course, so it'll be different from what you would normally see at Rail Jams, I think.
Oh, different. A different kind of course.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be covering it. We'll be there. All right, Brandon, you have less hair on your face than the last time we saw you.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
I think I shaved a few days ago.
That's good. That's good. What do you have to say for yourself?
Just here at Stratton for the US Open. It's beautiful weather, thank God. We're crossing our fingers for it to stay nice.
Where are you going to be next Wednesday?
Next Wednesday, heading over to Loon for last call.
Who else is going to that?
Whole flow team will be there.
Okay, good. I plan to be there too. All right, anyone else have anything witty to add? Oh boy.
No, I don't know.
You guys look tired. You better go to bed.
Stop.com.
Yeah.
What's that? All right. Whatever. Brandon, could you just tell me that rumor story that you heard about Scotty and the medal?
I heard that, don't mark my words on this or anything, but I heard that it was just a hoax. The girl that was down on her knees or whatever she was doing actually worked for the Gossip magazine, and she kind of just set Scotty up for it. But I think it actually worked in Scotty's favor in the end. So go Scotty.
It's such a snowboard thing. We love it. Okay.
Yeah, it's like
She was biting his medal, Brandon.
Yeah.
Biting it.
I mean, like, I think if I got bronze at the Olympics, I'd probably be doing way crazier stuff than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, guys. Well, good luck and great to see you.
Cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
SnowboardSecrets.tv.
SnowboardSecrets.tv.
Woo!
I think in third we got Tim Humphreys, and in first we still have Charles Reed.
There's a wave to us from Brandon Reese.
Dripping with sweat from the backside rodeo 7.
Feel the energy. The crowd is just going wild.
That kid Charles Reed currently on switch nose press 180 out. That was nasty. And it was followed by a tough knee Indy on the quarter pipe. That might be the first time that combo's ever been done.